science. So without further ado, the best mad scientist in town, Dr. Bennett.
How's everyone doing this week? You ready for some mad experiments? All right, I've got a cool one. Let me change and show you. Okay, do you see this plate? I have a quarter, a dime, a nickel, and a penny. And I have the ability to make a drop of water. So I'm just put a drop of water here in the middle. Okay, so can you see that? Rachel, can you see?
Yep.
See the drop?
Yep.
Okay, you know what? Let me see something. I haven't tried this before, but maybe if I add a little food coloring. You guys know I like food colors, right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it'll be easy to see. Okay, so we're gonna make it green. Be a little different. Let's see. Is that easy to see?
Yep.
All right, so here's a drop of green water. You see? So if you see the size of the drop and the size of the coin, what I want you guys to do is to guess how many drops of water can I put on a penny? Do you think it's less than 10? Less than 20?
I think I got it. I got it.
What do you got?
I think how many drops can less than 10.
Less
You
than
can
10?
also vote on your computer. A poll just came up. So it says how many drops can fit in the coin, less than 10, less than 20, or less than 30. And you could vote. I see some votes coming in already. So if you see it pop up on your computer, make sure to vote which you think will be.
All right, so let's try. Okay, now let's see if you guys can count with me. So I'm going to put them on. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. Let's see if we can keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's see. Should we keep going?
Yeah.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Whoa.
Oh my God.
Here we go. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Ah!
Oh.
So how many did we put on there?
40.
40 drops. So how many people guessed? Well,
I think we all got it wrong because we all guessed that it was going to be either less than 10, 20, or 30. And really almost everyone thought it was going to be less than 10 or less than 20, but we really beat that by a lot.
Yeah. Do you imagine how many drops of water? You want to try it again with the nickel? Okay. All right. So let's take a guess how many we can put on the nickel. Is it going to be less than 10, 20, 30, or 40?
Less than 30.
Less than 30? What?
Yeah.
Can they vote?
Yep, the voting is up. It looks like everyone is leaning towards less than 30 this time.
Okay. All right, well, let's count. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How are we doing? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Oh boy. 36, 37, 38, 39, up. So it's the same as the penny. We got 39 on the nickel. So did you guys imagine you could put that much water on the nickel and on the penny? It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, it's so cool.
Yeah.
How does it work?
How does it work? Well, what happens is, and we're going to do it, we'll do a little quicker here on the dime. So if you look, you see how high the drop goes. This is something called surface tension. And as you see, as it covers the surface, the drop gets taller and taller, and the little drops stick to each other. And that's why, because it's on a small area, it's able to go higher and higher and higher, because it all sticks together, makes like a big mound. You see how tall it's getting? And that's the magic of how you do it. If you look at how tall the water is here versus how tall the water is just on the plate, you can all see that. Let me see what you see.
It almost looks like a bubble on the dime, like
On the dime, it makes a much bigger and higher bubble of water because it sticks together in something called surface tension. And that is how you get so many drops of water on a, see, oops, as soon as I banged it, it all fell off. So
I have a question.
Yes.
What about the Nissan actually?
What?
Can we do one on the quarter?
Yes. Would you like to do it on the quarter? All right,
Yeah.
let me just do something first. Just hold on a second. I got another experiment waiting for you in my freezer, and I'm just checking on it. Okay. So we're going to do the quarter. This is the quarter. Okay, and let me hold on a second. So we have a quarter. And let's guess how many we can put on here. So it's probably going to be more than 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Gotta get more water. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. It's a lot of water, guys. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Oh boy.
wow.
51, 52, 53, 54, 55, up. 55 drops was the most that we could put on the quarter.
Wow, that's a lot more than the other ones.
So if you just have an eyedropper like this and a coin and water, you can try this experiment yourself at home. That's all you need is a coin, an eyedropper, and some water. Pretty cool, huh?
Very cool.
Okay, so let's try one other experiment. Okay, everyone see this wine glass?
Yep.
Okay, and you see what I have in the wine glass?
Water?
It's water. Well, give it some color so you can see it, okay? We'll mix it up. So we got some green water or green wine, okay? Now, who thinks that I can make music from a wine glass with water? You ready?
I do.
You do? Well, you guys have a lot of faith in me. Let me see if I can do it. I'm just gonna wet my
I
fingers.
think you can.
I'm gonna wet my fingers. I don't know if can you hear it?
A little bit.
How about now?
Wow. You guys hear it? You could raise your hand or not if you could hear it. Oh, a lot of people could hear it.
Now I'm I'll show you something even a little, also kind of cool. All right. I'm not gonna put this water in here. Let's. Okay. Okay, but what's the difference between the two of them? Can you see that this wine glass and this wine glass?
If you know the answer, you could unmute yourself if you want to say what you think it is.
I know the answer. I know the answer to this question. This is easy.
What's the answer?
Tell me the question again.
The question is, what's different between this glass of water and this glass of water?
Oh, I know.
That's an easy question. This one's a lot. This one's less because let me tell you, the less one here is more than this one, and this one more at the top is less because
Right.
there's not
True.
much in here.
Now, this one has more water than this one has. And we're going to play this one again. And now listen to this one. What, do you hear a difference?
Yeah, I heard it. I heard the difference.
What's the difference, Max?
The difference between those wine glass are the difference when shoot, I can't I don't know.
You want to play it again? Here we go.
Oh. Okay, so between the other glass, you put 2 fingers when you make sounds like music stuff. Like
I used the same number of fingers. That's
Oh.
2. And here we go.
Oh. Whoops.
If you
Sorry about that.
Try this. If you sing along.
Oh.
The difference is that they play different notes. This one is lower. and this one is higher. Like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. I can't sing, but there's a scale that goes up. And with the different amount of water, it plays a different note. And if I put more water in here, they're basically now the same sound. So I can change what's called the pitch or the note that's being played by changing the amount of water. Okay, and let's see if I put some water from here to here, fill it up even more. You hear it got lower in sound. And this one got higher in sound. So if you get different amounts of water, you can get different types of sound out of the glasses. Okay? So it's something you can remember next time you're at a dinner table and you're a little bored, just wet your finger and rub it around the wine glass as you hold the bottom, and you can make music. Okay?
That's awesome.
Let me put these off to the side so I don't break them. Okay, and now I'm going to try. Okay, we're going to give this a try. I tried this last week. It didn't quite work. I think I tried again this week. So hold on. Okay, so let me see if I can make this one work. Can we see the glass?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, actually, did I change the? Okay, so here's the glass. I'm going to give this a try. I'm going to very slowly pour some water in here. Okay, you see we have some water.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just going to take one small piece of ice, and what should happen is the whole thing should turn to ice. See if we can make it happen this time. I don't know if it's cold enough. Let's see. All right. Wait, we'll try again. All right. All right, this one's not working again this week. We'll try it again a little bit later, okay? That's what happens sometimes in science. You try, it doesn't work, and all of a sudden it will start to work. So we will put this off to the side. All right. Let's try another experiment with sound. How about that? Okay. So I went to my pantry and I stole a box of cereal. I'm going to take out the cereal so I don't make a mess. And then what I'm going to do is put some rubber bands. Can you see that?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to put 2 rubber bands around this. Okay, and then just gonna stick this in here so it doesn't collapse. Okay, and then 2 pens. I'm gonna stick the pens on top of this. So now, let's see if you can see. Can you see that the rubber band, there's a space between the rubber band and the box?
Yep.
Everyone see that? And now, if I pluck them, now watch what happens when I move the pen. Remember with the glasses, how we had the different notes, the pitch that went up and down? Well, the same.
Oh, you I know what it is. I know the answer, sir.
What's the answer?
It's the music. Music. They play different music. The same thing with the wine cups. Like the big one plays a lot more music than the less one. Because you said the last one doesn't play as much music. And you were saying do, re, mi, fa. You're not good. I heard. But it's similar, like the same thing as with wine cups.
It's still, you're right, it's similar to the wine cups, but in this case, what's happening, if you look at the distance from this pen to this pen, listen to this note, and now when I move it closer, it gets higher, and then when it goes down, it gets lower.
The music is low.
So the bigger the distance between these two, the lower the note. If I bring it closer, the higher it is. So you can play all the notes. This is the same thing, just like on a guitar or a violin. As they put their fingers on the different strings and they make it shorter or longer, you get different notes. The bigger the difference, the lower the note. The shorter the distance, the higher the note. So with just a very simple box and 2 rubber bands and 2 pens, and if I put it on an angle, I can make them each have a different sound. This is lower because it's longer, and this is higher because it's shorter.
It's kind of like you can make your own guitar at home.
You can make your own guitar. And you want to know something? The first banjos were made out of cigar boxes and strings. That's how the banjos came about. So what do you think about that one?
Good. It's really
Pretty good? Okay.
yeah.
Try another one, right? All right, wait, we're gonna try the water experiment one more time. I think this time it may work. Whoa. Let's see if we can do it this way. We can just hit it and see from the shock if I can make it freeze. And now it's hard to see, but it's all turning to ice now. The water. Let me see if I can get it out. It froze on me. All right, I'm going to give up on this experiment. Okay, all right. I got a cool one for you. Here we go. Let's see which camera. Which camera are we on? I'm gonna do the other one. Okay. Everyone see the candle?
Yep.
Okay. Now let's see. We'll do it like that. Okay. Let's see. Maybe I'll do this one. Hold on. Okay. So you see the candle. Now, okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow out the candle and I'm going to relight it without touching the candle. Are you ready? Wait. There we go. And now, wait, let's try it again. No, it's not working. I'm having a hard time today. Let me try it again. Okay. Oh, the candle doesn't want to play with me. Well, we'll try this experiment instead. Okay. Go to the other, see if you can see it better this way. Okay. All right, you see the candle? And I blew it out before. Now I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bottle in front. Who thinks I can blow out the candle? Or is the bottle going to get in the way and not let me blow out the candle?
Move the bottle over, please.
No, I'm going to leave the bottle in front. That's the trick. Okay, let's try it. You ready?
Whoa.
Want to see that again? Here we go. We're going to light the candle. Right? And I'm behind the glass, the bottle, and watch me blow out the candle. Try it. We'll do it again. So, who thought that I could blow out the candle with the bottle in the way?
Not me.
No?
No.
It has to be trapped for it to not go out.
Yeah.
But your ear is going around the bottle, not just going on the bottle.
Exactly. Who said that?
Me.
That's exactly what's happening.
Malky.
The air, when I blow, goes around the bottle, and because it's round, it comes back together and then goes to the candle. So we're going to go.
Close to the candle.
So I can even blow out a candle around a wine bottle or any bottle.
Cool.
That's awesome.
So if you have an adult nearby who can help you light a candle, just put a bottle and then go next to it and blow like you're blowing out your birthday candle, and you'll be able to blow out the candle.
That's really cool.
Okay. Let's see. Should we do another one?
Yeah.
How about one more? Okay. Let me just see. All right. I'm going to make a funny looking little mixture for you.
A mixture.
We're going to make almost like a rainbow in a glass.
Ooh.
Okay, so I'm going to put in, this is going to stay right at the bottom. Okay, you see that's clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And now I'm going to pour on a little bit of water with blue coloring in it. Okay, and what, let's see, can you see this? So what do you see? We have the clear stays on the bottom and the blue water's on top, and they're not mixing.
Wow.
Mm.
Pour on a little bit of oil.
Turns like orange.
Okay. So let's see. What do we see now?
Blue,
You see the
blue.
you see the clear on the bottom?
It's like a rainbow.
Right. Clear on the bottom, blue water, and then the yellow oil is on top, and they're very, very distinct in their color. Let me see if I can get a close-up picture of this. Hold on a second.
Could you swap cameras, Dr. Bennett?
Is this a better view?
Can you swap the camera so we can see it? I think it'll be better from the other one.
Which one?
Yeah, there we go. Now we can see it a little closer up.
Okay, and now I've got another, and I'm going to pour this one on top also.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay, now it's going to mix for a little bit, and then it's going to separate out. And what you're going to see is that there is going to be the clear, the water, the oil, and then the last thing that I put on top, and we'll separate out in a little bit, is called it's alcohol, rubbing alcohol that you may have. And each one of them is just a little heavier than the other. So on the bottom, it's corn syrup, okay, which is this, and this is very heavy, and so it sinks to the bottom. And then the next one is water, and it goes on top. And then there is the oil, which is a little lighter, and then the alcohol. And if we kind of put it to the side, sometimes you can see the different layers a little bit easier. But these things will each keep in their own little separate layers. So
That was awesome.
So that's my trick.
That's cool, Dr. Bennett.
That's pretty cool, huh? I just want to see something.
That was cool, right, guys?
That was so
Let's
cool.
see. Today we did the drops on the coins,
Yeah.
and we made music with water and glasses. And I'm going to switch the camera for a second. And we tried the magic ice that didn't work, but we did do the layers, and we did music with the rubber bands.
Mhm.
And I've got one last one. You may have done this yourself, but this is kind of fun. You ever blow into a bottle to make music? Take a bottle, put it up to your mouth, and just blow into it. And if you put more or less water into it, you can make like the other ones. The different amount of water will give you different sounds. So those are my experiments for you today.
That's awesome. Thank you so much, Dr. Bennett. Does anyone have any questions before we wrap up? Dina Sheva, you have
I do. Actually,
hold
I
on.
have a question.
1 second, Nissan. Dina Sheva actually raised her hand first. So Dina Sheva, oh, there you go. Oh, Dina Sheva, we can't hear you.
Do another question?
Doesn't look like we could hear you, Dina Sheva. Maybe do you want to type it to me and Nissan will go while you're typing it out? Okay, Nissan, go ahead.
All right. I liked how you did with the water. You put a little bit of water, and did you put music? Like, were you making music out of it when you put with the bottle? What you were just doing before, was it music a little bit?
Like this?
Yeah, similar. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. A little bit of water, and let's see if I can make a different sound in a different bottle. So this one's got water up to here, and the pitch is a little bit higher. And here it's only a little bit of water, and it's going to be lower.
Wow.
Cool.
That's amazing.
So you can take water bottles, or you can take rubber bands, or you can take the wine glass with your finger, and you can make music with all those things.
Wow. So that's it for today?
That's all I had for you today.
Okay, so
Okay.
Max has a question. Max, what's your question?
So, Dr. Bennett,
Yes.
how did you make make 2 fingers in between the wine glasses?
How did I do the wine glass? I'll show you. Hold on. Okay, here are the wine glasses. I just get my finger a little bit wet,
Yeah.
and I just rub it lightly around the edge. My finger's up. I gotta get it just right. Hold on.
Oh, that's cool.
Wow.
So I mean, it can be with 1 finger, or it can be with 2 fingers.
Do that. I have wine glasses in the kitchen too.
All right, so just be very careful, because you don't want to break them by accident. But
No.
put a little water and just rub your finger, and just rub it very lightly.
Oh yeah. Thanks, Dr. Bennett.
Anytime. I hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you so much, Dr. Bennett. This was so much fun.
Thank
We'll
you.
see you all next week. Thanks,
Thanks,
guys.
Rahul. Bye, Rahul.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Dr. Bennett.